Hello everybody, this is I'll something, and today we are gonna try to send this Typhon full throttle. I kind of fear that I'm gonna break something. Oh
It's tripped the spur.
But I found a spot where you can full send this because of a super momentum. I'm gonna go easy in the first jump. Oh Oh! Go easy in the first jump. Oh! Let's go. It's not going straight. Turn right. Is at the max. It's going straight now. Okay. Right, so this is where I'm gonna get the speed, and this is the gravel jump I've been talking about. So I don't know. Let's try. Okay. Looks decent. Nice. Okay, I think you can send it a little bit faster. The steering also was kind of... No, it's okay, it's going straight. It's just me. No, it's not me. Yeah, the steering moved a little bit. So I think it's because kinds of... I need maybe to stiffen the front a little bit.
Oh, ouais, joli.
Merci. That's fast. Whoa. Oh, that's not good at all. And I'm not doing anything. Okay, so it took a nasty hit right before flying. So maybe the goal here is to actually land on the sand here on the second thing here, but I'm not sure if I can. Yep. Okay, not full throttle, maybe 75%. It's rather fast. Yep, it works. I definitely hear something coming. Oh, it's a sad track. It's so sad. Yeah. it flies straight. It's awesome. Really, I don't have to actually correct anything during airtime. That's awesome. Okay, that's a lot of speed. That's a lot of speed. Oh, still alive. Yeah, took a nasty hit on this one. I think it's alright. Maybe I'm gonna have to invest in a full set of bearings soon, but totally worth it. That's full throttle. Oh, oh, Ooh. It landed on concrete. That was a nasty, nasty chassis slap. Still alive though. This thing is incredible. Okay, I was kind of full throttle, but I'm not sure. Definitely need to try again. And the transmission, the drivetrain is making a funny noise. Yeah, it's making a funny noise. Yeah, something's wrong. I'm glad I have a spur, a spare spur. Spur. So far away. Oh yes! Nice. Nice. This one was nice. The landing was smooth. Had to correct it a little bit during airtime just to have a clean landing. But that was nice. Yeah, that noise, guys. I don't like it. Oh!
Stop it. Get some help.
Guys, something's fishy in the drivetrain, I think.
Stop it.
But, well, let's keep on sending it. Yeah. Hear that noise? That's not good. Okay. Oh, the drivetrain. I'm sorry, but oh shit. Yep. Whoa. Oh, glad I pulled the throttle. Oh, I'm so glad. Because I took that could have been a very, very nasty landing. Oh, shit. It kind of saved the whole thing. So guys, I'm a beginner, so I just realized that if you pull the throttle when the vehicle goes sideways, maybe you can save it. Science is okay. Oh,
it's nice.
Oh, that's it. That's it. That's what I feared. It's broken. Okay guys, so I heard a fishy sound a few minutes ago, and well, I was right, because I think I may have killed the spur, or maybe, if I'm lucky enough, it's just the pinion, the mesh that actually got effed up. So I don't know. Let's see. Okay. That's a lot to do just to check the mesh, but let's do it anyway. Okay guys, welcome back. So as you can see, the spur is stripped, and that's the origin of the sound I heard on the drivetrain, which was not normal. I should have opened it earlier, but since I have a spare one, I think we're gonna be good. But that's a problem. I mean, well, it can do quite big sense with the Trios line, of course, but I don't know about that problem. It happened to me once already, and I ordered two, so this is the second spur gear I strip. So Not sure. If I'm doing something wrong, maybe you guys should tell me, because in that case, maybe that should spare me a few moments like this. But if I'm doing everything right, because the mesh, I checked the mesh like 1,000 times. So because I thought at first that it was my fault, and well, I don't want to actually invest in 30 euros spur, but maybe if I buy like maybe five composite ones, maybe I'm gonna end up investing. But that sucks, because if you can't do this kind of sand with the car without breaking and stripping the spur like every 2 or 3 packs, well, that sucks. So anyway, I'm gonna need you guys, because I looked over the internet and I didn't find it. I really did not find any solution to this. So kind of you guys. Okay, stay safe.
The diagnostic here is simple. The mesh moved, and that's what caused the stripping of the spur. So what I need to do is to make sure that the mesh doesn't move, and for that I need to actually tighten the motor to the mount. So for that I will use Loctite and washers and test it again just to see if it works. And if it works, guys, we have our solution.
It's nice.